Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we are learning about the letter P. We'll be learning about the words peas, pie, pants, panda, and potato. Our special guests are apple and cake. This is the letter P. It makes the sound P. Say it with me. P. These are peas. Peas are small green vegetables. Peas. This is a pie. A pie is a delicious dessert with a crust and a filling. Pie. These are pants. People wear pants on their legs. Pants. This is a panda. It's an adorable bear that's typically found in China. Panda. This is a potato. It's a starchy vegetable that people usually use in cooking. Potato. Now let's play a game. Which word does not belong? Is it peas, apple, pie, pants, panda, or potato? That's right, it's the apple. Apple does not have a P sound in it. Let's play again. This time, is it peas, apple, pie, pants, panda, or potato? That's right, it's the apple again. Good job. Now, let's play another game. Can you find the peas? Great work! This is the pea. Now, can you find the delicious pie? Point to it when you see it. Great job! This is the pie. Now, find the pants. Good job! These are the pants. Now, find the panda. Great work! You found the adorable panda. Now, for our last one, can you find the potato? Good job! This is the potato. Repeat after me one more time. Peas, pie, pants, panda, potato. Great job! Follow along at storybee.space for more. I'll see you on the next one.